Hello everyone, it's so lovely to see you all. It's been fantastic hearing all about your home learning and seeing your work sent by email into your teachers. In a moment, I've got some very important news to share about the Learners of the Week, and your teachers have been telling me some fantastic things about the learning that's been going on. But before that, Mr. Cope and I have been so impressed by your attendance this week, both for those in school and by those children who are attending our Zoom lessons at home. And we wanted to celebrate this by awarding Attendance Ted. He can say hi. So the class in the early years department who has had the most children attending Zoom lessons and in school is RB. So well done, RB. All you should be proud of the fact that you're doing really, really good work. You're trying really hard and accessing all the learning available to you at home and in school. So well done. And the class in Key Stage 1 that has also been working very hard, the class with the most number of children who are working at home on Zoom and sharing their learning with us, is 2A. So should we give 2A a wave? Well done, 2A. Everybody in 2A is working incredibly hard on Zoom. And I hope to see next week that maybe another class could see how well they get on and looking at attending their lessons online. Now, as I said before, I was going to share with you some news. Now, the class teachers have all sent me some very important information, and I've been told that there's some very special people in every class, and we're going to start with nursery, who have been working really hard and are Learner of the Week. So in Rainbow class, Aria for excellent efforts in our Zoom lessons. So well done, Aria. In Alien class, there's Harrison for fantastic writing this week. In Dragon class, Valerie for her excellent effort in our Zoom lessons. In Pirate class, Leah for super number work this week. And in Dinosaur class, Edie for fantastic effort in all her learning this week. So I think we need to give a very big clap to all those children in the early years department who've clearly worked very hard and definitely are definitely deserve the Learner of the Week. So Attendance Ted, can we give them a cheer? Well done, children in early years. And then we'll move on. And then the children in Key Stage 1. Now the Key Stage 1 staff have told me it's been very difficult to choose, but I've been given one child from every class for Learner of the Week. So in 1A, I have Honora for excellent home learning on Zoom. So well done, Honora. And in 1B, we have Sophie for an amazing effort with her home learning. And she also is at home working on Zoom. In 1C, we've got Kayla for all her fantastic home learning work. And she's zooming in as well. And 1D is Matthew for working super hard both at home and at school. Well done, Matthew. In 2A, we have Aishaya for her super effort and progress in reading. That's excellent news. In 2B, we have Aubrey for enthusiastic participating in our lessons both in class and on Zoom. In 2C, we have Kaylin for his fantastic participation in all our Zoom lessons and for all his fantastic work. And there's a big smiley face there, so well done, Kaylin. And finally, in 2D, we have Lily for trying super hard with her maths and showing a fantastic attitude. So well done to all those children who have been awarded Learner of the Week. Now, it's lovely to see. Now, I look forward to seeing and hearing all about your fabulous learning, and hopefully I'll be zooming in again next week into certain lessons to say hi and see how you're all getting on. And I will see you next week. Take care. Have fun. Bye.